What's up YouTube, this is iPod Touch Hacker 666 here, and today I got an unboxing for you guys. This is an HP laptop from my dad that he bought for himself, and it's an HP G62. Pause and read that. And yeah, so just get started for the unboxing of this. Got my knife here. Alright, I'm just gonna cut right through this. Cut. It's an AMD processor. If you guys paused and read, it's 4 gigs of RAM, so that's awesome, right there. Here it is. Set that to the side. And you get a little cardboard. Get this HP thing. This quick start guide, begin here. Of course, the battery comes in bubble wrap. I'll have fun playing with that later. And AC adapter and AC adapter. This do not eat stuff. Put it to the side. Here's a box, empty, as you guys can see, nothing in there. Put that to the side. So, look at the quick start guide. Man, it's big. Oh yeah, one's in French, so you don't need that. So, wow, it's a really nice laptop. Alright, so, right here, AC adapter. Oh, never mind. Alright, another AC adapter, and bubble wrap, the battery, and all that. The battery, and let's see what's in here. You get the book and guide and everything, and that's all you get. So this goes to the side, and here is the laptop itself. Yeah. Oops. And very nice choice, Dad. Here it is, the HP G62 in silver color, and it's the battery. Let's see if the battery has any juice in it. Wow, take a look at that. Got this little thing to protect the keyboard and all that, screen. Wow, that is just awesome. Take a good look at that. Very nice. AC adapters and everything. Alright. So let's see if it has any juice in it. It does. You can see Windows 7. There you go. See the HP logo. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to set this bad boy up. And thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. I'll be doing good videos from this laptop on all that kind of good stuff. Comment, rate, subscribe. There'll be a link down below for my laptop unboxing. It's a Toshiba C650. Satellite C650. So alright guys, iPod Touch Hacker 666 out. Peace.